I think we're almost at the waterfall. What? Guys, hold on. This looks so... What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video! Guys, today we're actually gonna go adventure around Accra. It's a Saturday and I have classes from Monday to Friday, so I'm excited to finally be filming new content. And this reminds me of like my 21st birthday vlog. I think Julia and I went to check out this waterfall in Atlanta. Well, not in Atlanta, but in Georgia. Isabel's actually leaving back to school next week, so that's gonna be sad. So I'm glad we're able to have an adventure before she leaves. And also Andrew is here today too. We have another member taking part of our adventure today. So it should be a good adventure. We're going to go check out the waterfall and we're gonna get smoothies on the way. We were supposed to leave at like 8 a.m. but we have pushed departure time to currently. And yeah, we're about to head out and go to this waterfall and have a good time. I might be leaving Ghana soon in like a month or so, so I want to try to film as much as possible in Ghana, try to do awesome adventurous things and share with you guys. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel already, please do subscribe because we're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers this year and 30,000 subscribers this month. So let's do it! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Adventure time. Everything.
Okay, so right now.
Yeah, when you're leaving, you film like you opening the car door, and then you opening the store door, and you getting the smoothies.
Okay.
God bless you. Thank you.
Oh, my God, yeah. I feel like I got enough shots.
Thank you. We just started the drive, which is now gonna be like an hour and 2 minutes from where we are. So it's only about an hour away, so it's actually not far at all.
Wait, we're going to Central Region, like Kumasi Road.
This.
You can pass here to
This
go
is
to
towards
Kumasi.
Eastern Region, no? Isn't this towards Ebri?
Yes.
Yeah, Kumasi isn't
Yes, then you go down to...
Tantra.
No,
Whenever
not
I was
Winneba,
down,
no, to...
yeah,
when you come down from...
This smoothie is actually pretty good. Guys, it says Chinku Waterfall's right there. I think we're almost there. 4 minutes away. Woo!
Yeah. Roll up the windows. I don't want anything to jump into this.
Thank you. So we just got out of the car. We parked back there. We parked back. We're walking to the point where we get to pay and stuff. The guy down there told us that we should head up and we'll meet someone that will help us out with paying and going to the waterfall. So right now we're walking there. You can see like the mountains from where we are right now. I don't know if it's Ibri Mountains, but back there it's so pretty. Look at how clear the water is though. Isabel, do you see how clear the water is? Morning that we were like,
This is all plantain, right?
yeah. I don't know if you guys remember from my farm vlog, but these are all plantain trees. Crazy. We're still hiking. We're still hiking. We're still looking for the guy. I know that's right. Guys, look at the trunk of this tree. This is a thick trunk, Isabel. So many bugs everywhere. Big bugs at that too. What? Whoa. Yeah, but there's the bugs.
Let's go, don't worry.
Wow. Guys, this is like a little hill. It's slanted, I don't know if you can tell. Wow, it's cool. Yeah, I wonder what mountain that is in the distance. Like you can literally see the, what's it called?
The stone face.
Yeah, the stone face exposed. We just entered Chinku Waterfalls. We paid, I had to pay for this camera, and then you have to pay for entry. But they actually have more things to do here than I expected. They have hikes you can do to all the way at the top of the mountain, which is insane because it looks so high up. And apparently there are different like variations of waterfalls up there, and like there's different group activities you can do and things like that. But most of those things you have to do it with 10 plus people, and you have to let them know ahead of time. So today we're just gonna do the waterfalls. Andrew is smart. He actually prepared to go into the water. Isabel and I did not think that far, but we hear the water, so we should be there soon. These are ant houses. Ant houses in Ghana are insanely big. This is like a really small one compared to some of the other ones you see in Ghana. We are in the jungle. I think we're almost at the waterfall. What? Guys, hold up. This looks so good. It's so cool.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Guys, earlier we were on that side. We moved to this side to get a better view of the waterfall. It's crazy. What color is it?
Don't you love won't take her time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time. In the bathtub, we don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment.